Today we gather not only to celebrate those who crossed the finish line, but to honor the shared values this event represents: nature, wellness, and sustainability. Then our resolve to continue promoting sports tourism while safeguarding the natural beauty and cultural richness of our islands. To all participants, whether you finished first or last, your presence and spirit have left footprints, not only along the trails of Mahé, but in the hearts of everyone who has witnessed your journey. Thank you for your comments. And thank you to our press for bringing this live to the world, live via the social media to our people. Each of the 22 kilometers of this trail has revealed what is truly special about Seychelles. I would also like to acknowledge our partners here in Gantras for joining us in bringing a bit of life to this village.